Compliance mapping of security framework for MSPs and IT teams. Align policies and controls without heavy GRC tools. Ensure that your security controls remain aligned with compliance requirements. Here's a guide to compliance mapping of security frameworks for MSPs. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The challenges of compliance mapping. Clients need assurance that the security controls implemented in their IT environment align with applicable compliance frameworks and requirements. That's why MSPs need to develop a cybersecurity framework mapping strategy. However, if not performed properly, your tracking process may lead to confusion and inconsistencies. To avoid these challenges, here are 6 steps to follow. 6 steps for compliance mapping your security framework. First, create a unified control catalog. Document and organize each internal policy and technical controls, including access control, system defense, data recovery, and monitoring practices. Next, use this catalog to create a spreadsheet matrix that maps each security control to specific framework requirements. Here's a sample chart that demonstrates this. Then, integrate governance, risk, and compliance (GRC) principles into your spreadsheet matrix. This helps identify compliance gaps, establish ownership, and maintain audit readiness. List down tactics such as gap analysis, RACI matrix, version control, and review frequency. Additionally, leverage automation to aid in compliance documentation. Use this PowerShell script to create an automated alignment log for your policy files. Afterwards, create visual aids for reporting. Use Venn diagrams, heat maps, and spider charts to help stakeholders quickly understand compliance coverage and identify potential gaps. And finally, perform regular reviews to ensure accurate compliance mapping. Schedule reviews during QBRs, annual audit cycles, framework updates, or after major policy and control changes. Compliance mapping helps demonstrate to clients how your services align with industry frameworks and security requirements. For more information, check out our official blog post on compliance mapping of security framework for MSPs, linked in the description below.